Welcome back, guys. Matthew and Dad. We're gonna be trying more snacks, not just candy, not just chips. Are we gonna try chips? I don't remember, but drinks too. Where did we buy it from? World Market. I remember. I am so smart. I remember. And this is the places that we got these snacks from and drinks. We got them from Belgium, UK, Italy, Japan, and South Africa. Yes, I remembered. I'm so smart. Matthew has a hat. So do I. Perfect. And I think this is from, I don't remember, but I will put it in the video. Don't you worry. This is Milka Oreo sandwiches.
Does it mean they milk the pine cone?
Look at that. There's a literal Oreo inside the chocolate. Look at that, guys. You know this is gonna be absolutely amazing. Zoom in
Taste
on
the chocolate.
zoom in on the crunch.
Taste just the chocolate. No.
That's good. That's really, really good. You could taste the cow because of the milk. It says Alpine milk. You could taste the cow. I think you know what they did? They punched the cow and then the chocolate came out. That's exactly what happened. All right, dude, let's go to the next one. Got it. Now we're gonna try Tex. Again, I don't remember where this one's from, but I'm gonna make sure to put it in the screen. Somewhere where Matthew's face is. That's where the country flag is gonna go. All right, so Tex. Let's check. Let's just, you know what? Oh. Wait, you're gonna straight up bite it off of there? Go for it! Yeah! Oh, look at that.
the inside. Taste
No.
the chocolate.
Let me see. Oh, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
I think this one, we didn't even grade this one. 9.5 for me. What do you grade it?
10.
10. Okay, this one,
8.
I'll give it a 7. The chocolate is good, but the inside is not that great.
My piggy.
Oh, this one I give it a 7. Matthews gave it an 8.
My pick.
This was Matthew's pick. These are always original Heartburt's Best. Oh, you got yellow, green. I picked green.
I pick red.
Oh, it smells good.
This is what the watermelon
Okay.
thing from the last one.
Okay. Let me try it.
Oh, there's the inside. It's
Oh,
blood.
it's green. I'm needing blood. I never knew blood was this tasty.
Daddy. Oh gosh, that came out of that.
That's really good.
Oh gosh.
There you go. Your turn. Give it a shot. This one,
Oh,
it's really good, but I don't know. It's just too sugary for me. But I will give it a 6. What do you give it? Try the eyeball. Oh, you know what? I didn't even try the eyeball. I'm gonna try the actual eye. Wonder if it's like green apple or something. Yeah, I could taste the apple. Tastes a little bit different. That was really good.
that Uncle has on it.
I think that's flakes from the previous candy or the chocolate that you were eating. Good job. So what do you give this one? Oh, you're still eating it?
So you're trying to get to the red.
Oh, okay. Go for it. One more bite. There you are. To the blood. To the blood.
It's kind of sour.
I know. It was a little bit sour, but I think it was just like really sweet. That's what it is. Do I still have bread? Do I look good?
You look like you never tried it.
Twix. Caramel. It has caramel in the
Since
center.
I tried to get it rated now, it is 6.5.
Matthew's giving it a 6.5, so you went ahead of us and actually tried it. Let me try it myself now.
They're hard.
Oh, no, man, they're soft right now.
I mean, yeah, they were in the fridge when I tried it.
The actual cookie is...
Do they taste different?
No. Do they taste different or the same?
It's better because it's soft.
Oh, yeah.
give it
That's
an
what I'm saying.
8.
It's not that bad. Let me try I didn't get none of the caramel. Let me try the caramel now.
I never tried the caramel.
I still don't taste it. I taste cookie, no caramel. Okay, these are sour satellite wafers. Again, I have no idea where we got this from, but we got it from somewhere in the world.
Oh, they're hard.
Which one did you get? You got blue. Okay, I'll get white and blue this time. Let's try it out.
Oh.
Wait a minute, what in the world?
I'm gonna
feel like-
crush it.
Yeah, it feels like you can't.
They're gonna melt.
Oh, dude, check it out. They're like, yeah. So you just put it in your mouth. Put the whole thing in your mouth. Oh.
I taste the sour.
The sour's inside is sour powder.
It's not sour. What in the world? Dude, the sour is actually not. It's a little overpowering, but it's actually not bad. It has a good flavor to it. Try it out. No, yet that thing melts in your mouth. Oh, there you go. Just try the powder. Good job. No, you don't like it? You don't like the sour?
Yeah!
It's really good. Not sour at all. Okay.
There's orange and
Oh man. Okay, that one that you tried was more sour than the first one. You know, I don't mind sour, but that one was a little bit too much. So I'm gonna give it a. I'll give it a 4.
Daddy, it's this one then the drinks. And I give that one a 4.5.
All right, Matthew's giving a 4.5, and this is the weirdest candy. This is the weirdest candy that we could
Well,
find.
it's like golden.
Nordic sweets.
That's
Why you make that face? I'm on.
bad. Now you know what I'm talking about.
I'm assuming you're not gonna try this. Okay, here we go.
Get the drinks. The drinks.
I almost threw up. I swallowed my throw up. That was gross. Do not buy this. -0, -0, -10 out of 10. Wow.
Negative 11.
No, that. Oh my God, that was bad. What is this? It's Pepsi from Japan, I believe. Yes, it's Pepsi from Japan. Look at it,
got
so
all the
nice.
things.
It has even cherries or raspberries on the picture of it. Sounds good. Hopefully, it tastes better than. Oh my God, I can still taste the Nordic sweets. That was terrible. That was terrible. Here,
Yeah, that's my
here, Matthew, you go
holiday.
first. Dude, it's
Extra
Pepsi.
small spoon.
It's Pepsi.
Extra small
I
spoon.
know, it's Pepsi. Taste it. It's just Pepsi. Do you taste the raspberry?
No,
You don't taste it?
it don't remind me.
No? Let me try it. I'm just gonna waterfall it.
Did that help it? Smash down?
I do taste the raspberry, actually.
But not that much.
Not that much, but you do taste the raspberry. It's actually not that bad. Last
You.
drink and last
Fanta Tropical.
thing we're gonna try today. This is Fanta Tropical from, I don't remember again where, but I'm gonna make sure to put the flag on Matthew's face right here.
Again.
Again.
I don't really like the taste.
You don't like the taste, but it's Fanta, dude.
It's like pineapple.
Like pineapple. All right, let me try it. I'll waterfall it just in case. Anybody else wants to try it? Bro, that's good.
It tastes like pineapple.
It actually reminds me of juice, not soda. Is this supposed to be a soda? Yeah, like fruit punch drink, not soda. What do you give this one?
2.5.
2.5? We didn't even grade the Pepsi, but this one I'll give it like a 6. It's not the best drink, but it's not bad. It's pretty good. Okay.
What was your favorite method?
The frost.
Definitely, this is the best one that we tried today. And I don't remember where it's from, but I'll be sure to put it in the link. But actually, you can. This is definitely the best one. The cookie was great. The chocolate was amazing. And I think we're going to finish it all, aren't we?
Like what the thing you guys say.
Mine. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to leave a like and follow or subscribe for more content with Matthew and Dad. Matthew, Dad. Bye. Say bye.
Bye. Yeah.